why 95% of traders lose money, and how smart traders win. Most people enter trading thinking it's the fastest way to freedom. They imagine quick profits, financial independence, and a better life. But the reality is completely different. Around 95% of traders lose money. Not because trading is impossible, but because they never understand how the market actually works. When beginners start trading, they usually see the same thing everywhere. People showing profits, luxury lifestyles, and easy money screenshots. So they think trading is simple. Buy here, sell there, and make money. But what they don't see is the truth behind those images. Most beginners enter the market without any risk management, any proper strategy, any understanding of market behavior. They rely on emotions, and emotions are the fastest way to lose money in trading. At first, they might get lucky. A few winning trades make them feel confident, but then something changes. They increase lot size. They take more trades. They stop following rules. And slowly, the account starts going down, not in one day, but step by step. The biggest reason traders fail is not strategy, it is psychology. The market is designed in a way where most emotional decisions lead to loss. Here is what really happens. When a trader loses a trade, they try to recover it immediately. This is called revenge trading. When they win a trade, they become overconfident and risk more. This cycle repeats again and again. There is also another hidden factor. Most beginners try to predict the market, but professional traders don't predict, they react. They wait for opportunities instead of forcing trades. And most importantly, they understand one simple truth. The market does not reward activity, it rewards discipline. Smart traders are completely different. They don't focus on winning every trade. Instead, they focus on risk management. They understand that losing is part of the game. Survival is the first goal. Consistency is more important than big profits. Say professional trader can lose multiple trades in a row, but still remain profitable. How? Because they control risk. For example, if they risk small amounts per trade, even a single strong winning trade can recover losses and generate profit. This is where the concept of risk to reward becomes powerful. Smart traders wait for high probability setups only. They don't trade every moment. They trade only when the market gives them an edge, and that is what separates them from beginners. Trading is not a shortcut to money, it is a skill. And like every skill, it requires patience, discipline, and time. If you treat trading like gambling, the market will take your money. But if you treat it like a business, you start thinking differently, and that is when things change. Remember, it's not about how many trades you take. It's about how well you manage the trades you take.